Policeman cannot go and be in the ghetto to listen to what is going on.
No, okay.
Yes, but me, I can go the whole ghettos in Accra, or I have the wings. I send to any ghetto to have any information for me, and then I give to the police.
So is the police corrupt?
Yes, because sometimes with me, only the police to the arrest of somebody. The best is hideout. Then the police they catch any panel. Assume we never chill on this country.
Oh really?
Yes.
Police also protect all.
Yes. Or they catch away. So when assume on my never chill. No, I just count. It's a corruption.
But
they came here after we arrested and took 3 AKs, 3 SMG, 2 pump action, 4 pistols. We went and took from the person's hideout. So later, when we brought the person, the master himself was not arrested. The police people who I went them to arrest the people took to the master that I was the one who let they arrested the boy. So the people came to me. I was here, they traced me.
Wow.
Yes. Yes. I mean me right now because I have on my laptop I have more pictures. I have more videos on it. Because so yes, I remember I come out scanning a town the Russia laptop no at all.
There be police can be say they can stop armed robbery. Is it true?
They can't. To me are limiting, but they can't. The way they are doing. Police will be crying armed robbers into me. Honorable Kandapa, he was robbed before.
Oh really?
Yes, when Kandapa was robbed, that was 2012. I was the one who assisted in arresting all the two. No, any this I'm so ready. But no, do you know my 20 Ghana? No, my 30 Ghana. No, any nonsense. Me do be achisa. Wow. The only person I see, I'm saying again, no say oya MP Ebua any honorable Buama. IGP or is not a corrupt man. IGP which is Kakronji, he don't take bribe. When a better catch you. Ya try obi ayo me police ni bia me ben na me nim nisumai. Me nim ni power what say what. We know all the corrupt police people. If you person who corrupt policeman come to me. Ana wuji and me na misuma na dey do ewu. Me na me di share down call for we ku now me na me di ba. I send to you. I'll send girls, you take it. I'll send woman, you take it. I'll send somebody, you take it. You video you. You can't give me the video. The video is in my history, my laptop right now. I have more videos.
Baba too much GH. Share and subscribe. Oh yeah. FM Kofi Afakwa. Enne Masamba. Enne the mini obi or cancer. Now some are very sensitive. Is the police corrupt? Should the IGP be removed? And then many obia or your former convicts or sign your honey, no the police for your juma. There is some sensitive questions. And to train let TB now TBA a bebo abrabo. Nikam haba.
Have what miracle soap at the amount. And no one is some now was what yet high any indubina Adrianai and crown or body at the Maya and aye a 2 ohia se cracker. A people with no one is who be a promise and feel a one is war. The Otania now why no peace to quiet and so any ye. In Shayaka could be and a down and they say a da with this have what miracle soap a bejarenum would be jarre or crada na a fain so what the sapomono a jarre fraying. How much true for you so 0206-684-241 and now 0244-253926.
Akwaba. Then me one man, a friend is Ziggy, on him the ways and means of the police force. And then maybe Sani Pose, on your training for police depot, and now say a DNT only police for Koyajuma. Ziggy, Memo Akwaba. Bibi Abokodia. The tear for Suchiao. Amen. Amen.
May our dreams become true.
Amen.
May God fulfill our dreams. All of us.
Yeah. Pacho, are you a policeman?
I'm not a policeman.
Now you're
I'm intelligent.
Intelligent.
Yes. Okay, let's take it police assistant.
Okay.
Yes. Or whistleblower. Yes.
And what trim?
Yes. I assist the police in any. If I had any crime, we assist the police to arrest the people. Yes.
And the police for no
there is some things policeman cannot do. Policeman cannot go and be in the ghetto to listen to what is going on.
No, okay.
Yes, but me, I can go the whole ghettos in Accra, or I have the wings. I send to any ghetto to have any information for me, and then I give to the police.
So is the police corrupt?
Yes.
How? Corruption?
Yes, I don't think I make us say police baby or you pay for no more no be more say police for no more more and then baby here. Because sometimes with me only the police to the arrest of somebody the best is hideout. Then the police the catch any panel say assume machine when never chill on this cow.
Oh really?
Yes.
Police never so protect her.
Yes. Or the catch away so when assume machine on my chill. No, I just cow. It's a corruption.
But just cow. Yes.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. Fear crime one attacking me.
Oh.
They came here to attack me.
I in for Obia what's happened off no better.
Yes. Yeah, they came here after he arrested and took 3 AKs, 3 SMG, 2 pump action, 4 pistols. We went and took from the person's hideout. So later, when we brought the person, the master himself was not arrested. The police people who I went them to arrest the people took to the master that I was the one who let they arrested the boy. So the people came to me. I was here, they traced me.
Wow.
Yes. I was running the fire my motorbike. They push it in the gutter and they fire they quench fire on it. I'm selling motor net to Jaffin.
Now what motor no so?
Me parking no mobile. You see God, nyame me power yet now bebre na obi tonjot. Timitina jot in chama parking motor no. Into omo buy no mo bisa say motor we wura won. I was there. So I quickly answered them say wafa. I answered them myself. So yes. Wafa. So they traced there. No me sorry Johnny here. So when they came, they went and come. Nobody is there. The omu yitu into jot ura no crowd. Jano so mo Johnny ba. Minti no mo buy. No mo start one shot. Pak no mo fire. Moto no mo two got police and moto na mami.
Bana odi mama police.
Yes. Same one here there.
Nti banisa na who say
that's the best of the assistants.
Yeah.
To police I'm one.
Okay, nti banisa na who say police in the chukui.
The
say or catch and conference say won now here.
Okay, later. You see who say you psychological be yesu ejuma here nti yesu waju. So later those people ye koku omumu baku wotema.
Kone koku
police ku omumu baku. Omu fire police ni na police ku baku wo your friend say wotema. Wo casino bi mu ti police ni ku ba kunu nti dead body no no mu pe dead body na afa so they don't have the ideas to mu ko hu le bibi na nipa obi nipa ka to so twa nipa na mu ye ni sa nipa no no obetimi akwaji dead body na mama so link ni by me ni omo so I was happy there very happy. So when the link came me and them immediately to Mr. Wonu we started linking that word. It was Mr. Aite who was the commander this thing there. So he called Mr. Iwanu called Mr. Aite and we went there and they give the cuff to us.
Okay.
Cops, yeah. That's where the trusted stuff come. That's why everything ends in.
Say we no chuku.
Yeah, you know. Yeah, that's why I have they took to me that police for now can say wow.
But kind no confronting ni no.
Where police
no.
You can't. Because me then make a train.
No, but niente America no. We are juma momo. Inti eba na sana kasa juma na we yan. I too risky. Inti
that's why now. That's why internet is here. Me. I will let my root work, but not me. Because they say police we are juma momo. A juma na ye no cry. We are money pa no cry. We chini pa no. Obe kasa we na uchukuma no. Internet me wo ho. No GP number. Me na GP kasa. Director of CIA, the first thing I'm one number. From time more intelligent to I'm one number. Mr. Wonu on the master and they start here from the beginning. I have all the commanders have their number. I have everybody's number. And I can tell you that I have more pictures of those who take money from people. Yes. I mean me right now because I have on my laptop I have more pictures. I have more videos on it. Because so yes, I remember I come out scanning a town the Russia laptop no at all.
Inti there be police can be say they can stop armed robbery. Is it true?
They can't.
Me
are limiting, but they can't.
I don't know.
I didn't tell me the way they are doing. Police will be crying armed robbers too.
Oh really?
Yeah, some more things. If you like, there's one man called Mr. Brighto Drew, former. You can call him as by his time when it was his time. The same thing. He can give you more. Capture more police. Will be mutu. Yes. Your ammo first for. Tamale no mukoji AK ni was soldier ni bi tamale on no more AK ni kon wow yeah what tamale yes you can confirm from Mr. Brighto Drew.
Oh boy IGP do you know him
very well?
Say now who no
he's a very good man.
That's obi buy or see ye ni feel
they are liars. All those ones say dem kasa no you see in everybody we have people who hate you understand me we juma pa you see dem kanina they are all not correct people. Like
Obeka
say they are normally because one win your bonny and I win your bibi this man was doing his correct job and ejuba no correct job
then now all for say papa
mpacho robbery no tin say first before no be basu time away was no your friend saying we oh, my friend is saying
the pastor.
No, we are all even sick. We are all your person in for.
Yeah, coffee watching.
And your coffee watching. No, person in for the IGP before.
Okay.
Your friend is saying.
The find my
yes.
Apetia.
Yes. No person in free so it's not active.
Oh, okay.
You see, every Cobia police be active person. Don't party is very active. It's very the others is good. But
papa no better say police for no nyo say temporary we no so.
Also police for
boy is name no.
The boy no on but they say he's a corrupt person in the police. If what you we your friend say don't parry. We be na nyo be say we mu fa no ko sha we mu unifra you see he's very straight man and those people are supposed to be IGP in Ghana.
Oh okay.
Nancy, I want to see robbery. Be a see we. I call police in the
yeah, Mate.
How many months in it?
I check.
More.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Everybody has been arrested. Everybody.
Yes.
Wow. So, Nibao. Obasuno robbery sana watu oku.
And also.
Baba kupe. Bakuni fi achi ni achi omo na sa gank ni atum. This other gank will be so abetum. Nti se gank be na pi onu ba ni gank 3 na pi de ono mu nan na mekuku krofo we ni o mu tane wotu ansa na police for no sade na police for no mu di shen krofo na police for no be chief police for no that's the gank police for no gank no any de omu nam o mu we your friend said traffic light o mu jijin krofo and the traffic light o mu jijin krofo ska no see ya end omu we mu na pi last group ya end omu so group penalty uti akwache poset ya ji obi back po ache yes.
So he's working.
Yes, very hard. Me, apart from Rosatinga, no IGP Albertina so why you might say don't parry that.
Again now or differently from Omombe travel. Again or different.
Yes, I didn't tell you different. Who say Obi time you don't have time. There's somebody on need time. Your commanders be a man to command on time. That be that. Only time because yes, I mean you don't have those times. On need time or Benyam yes I then on about office or about office. But Obi also it said on Paris say about officer. Cause you enter office or chin. On nam. Or Chinabe and Tesano police station. Or Chinabe won at Dakuma police station. Who want to Kaneshi? Uben is trying to. Oh yeah. IGP are not wako. But when you go around anywhere, who bet my shan was here. Well a pass. Son nam. A bigot, I shall bigot. And I job bigot now. Yeah, don't parry over bigot. About a job now, no shad here. So that to me, Shani can know I shall know and I'm none in a more. No Shani Amabi. To continue, we almost shooting no Sean Crawford. Yeah, well, we need to know I steady. The man is working 100%. Anybody who say that man don't work, don't like him. Or he's a corrupt person.
Yeah, but this is a very sensitive question. Who say yeah party politics way. Say security force no more for the woman. How do you see it? The papa says your
Ghana, your NDC police, no MPP police.
No, say the papa say.
The papa. That is why me and Kamiti Ghana. Only a council of police.
Your police council. Your police council.
Police council, but they don't. You see,
they are not working.
Yes, you see, we have some people. They have to put them in. One say a bit say Bright Odru. You know, a bit say Kofi Boachi. Mr. Bongam. You see those former distance. Say na no pomo American National Security Coordinator. They has to. Any net so they should organize them. If they want everything, Ghana should be quiet. They should organize. Secondly, they should leave police. Only police or politics.
Okay. IGP no ma president appointed.
No, they should appoint by themselves. It's a move vote. It's a move vote. Police one vote. Who was a son man na dey di? Anka police vote
like IGP.
Yes. Police one vote IGP. But what pointing now? So pointing now. That means you become NDC police. If MPP police point you, that's why now in Ghana we can't pay for the debris. Your MPP or NDC. You better make police no because so party in the so that means you self sitting here, you are corrupt because you are talking of your party. You don't talk of Ghana. First, you cheap for your show reward. First, me sure be no abonne, I'm going reward. Me sure reward. Remember that call. Now I'm reward. That time Don Parry was the paymaster. So he reward us. Don't parry, not IGP. He was the paymaster before he was transferred to Accra, to whoever, to operations, and then to IGP now.
Oh, okay.
Because I know don't parry less than 6 years now, 7 years now.
Okay. Yes. Will you recommend say youth in be Ejumani?
I know youth in the whole Ghana.
Challenge is better. Yes, challenge is better.
Challenge because you for better time. Obi wo person nya obone obi wo person sese na make can say above fie abebubotu aye na niama ni na. You see, if I'm not like somebody protected like I'm so me easy because I'm protected. I'm protected by God. Why? Because I'm doing genuine job. I don't give allegation. One year be I mean to go to police where say any police are chill me yes akwa nyanko betu aneka de me nya ni me nya but me ye ni kwan papa mu we are and quarry me chi obi a police allegation that I don't do that. So okay. Some kwala no kono mu de juma kura ba me hwe juma no mu yi.
Is it the right thing?
No kwala o mu ko juma ma me. It's in every area. Yes, in every ghetto here we have people. We have our guests and our boys. Information anything any pa she hear she call me. Any pa you hear you let me know. I'll get it on my phone. Yeah.
Wow.
Any I know.
You know.
So that's why sometimes I give Ashama information, I give Medina information. You don't understand. You say, why am I here knowing this? But I have people there. That's why. So sometimes who the Juman background, me show answer. This thing, should I take it forward or should I wait for some time? Then I will be seeing because I mean, person me the back of command and throw. Ni akochini pa na entro na ajani. You see, obi o chini po na entro na ujana na ni abri. Tim pese be chiwa ajai. Ye chiu na no kwaro nko prison. Na untimi be ha nipa ye nipa we.
Okay. Now maybe so 2 questions. Police service no. Then you between na aye BP because every time you can corruption index say in Kofwa omo number 1.
Yes.
Then I will say yes some police force.
Police the embassy say omo ye omo ma police omo vote ma omo.
Omo choose omo IGP.
Yes. So because who be ponti IGP no be. Why be ponti IGP? Maybe there's some people they like maybe baby okay me we are the senior. We are the senior Jumamu I'm your junior. Na ya be ponti. Ya be ponti we say we out me say I'm junior pa be ponti na no be control. You then you have pain in you. The be a wo ade o tse wo ye no. You say now you are coming back because you say no your farmer call and the other thing me away. That is some people their mind. But anka fine say your for call up wa undi lechi na mu ye juma because who ye juma ma wo man.
Yeah.
First year chi I just ka tro. You reward they will reward me. Honorable Kandapa, he was robbed before.
Oh, really?
Yes, when Kandapa was robbed, that was 2012. I was the one who assisted in arresting all the people.
Oh, the criminals.
The paper they give me.
Oh, okay.
Yes, that's Honorable Kandapa 12.
Wow. Oh, okay.
I have the copy. I have plenty. I have copies of plenty.
Okay. Until how much you have per job, Anna?
Yes, they pay you. They rewarded you
per job.
Yes, any job you do, they reward you for that.
They reward you genuinely. Only the police be now.
That's why me see anka obia ye adwuma no bi we oba we bema we bibi na wotina wona wo say ade enye pet say you have to inform the police and you say yes ye pay nam ye dabi ukra wotina area ma ukra wo area ukra wotina wo abuwa bi we mama bi wo papa bi wo bi wo say bibi wo enkoye wo area ma you have to alert the police.
What's that?
First me jiri word ba say me chikura me ko jiri word.
Yeah, me so can do so.
But no, dabi me ye juma ma me timi tira sam to say me ye juma ma me ban ama ban so me ye juma ma me krom me sanjiska. Dabi I'm doing free for I'm doing it free for my country to have freedom. Yeah. So that some things will this thing.
Settle.
Yes.
Ebia no be sure, ebia no abutre, ebia wo ghetto now can be a project be a person the two obi ne so. Hwe camera na catch obi say mo a obetimi aboa no atimi because ghetto no a dreamer ese etimi ye na nkola ni nyina anya bibi. E de na person obi ye ma wo.
Obi o boabra acres or asasi there be o about 50 acres of land strange there to into bia person boa ghetto youth or bibi bra I'll give him parts. No fire there, young fire away. So bibi na be ama ghetto youth no. So person we bibi ma, one person we farm, one person we you just we go through. Then na dia boa ghetto youth no. Because in Accra no ghetto in Accra. I don't have person there. I'm telling you. In Accra we have about 1,000 something ghettos.
Yeah.
More than 1,000 ghettos and no ghetto. I don't have somebody there in Accra.
Okay, in Tipacho Fa or Namato.
I want somebody who can assist to come. This is the document. I've shown the
what that chairman.
Do a document.
And documents
yeah. No, that's minister.
Only my okay, Ghana.
Yes, minister of food.
Yeah.
Yes. Commissioner of food.
Yeah, commissioner of food.
We sweat everything. Okay. Yes, this is it. Okay. He say the contract shall have 50 acres.
Yeah.
After the distance. That's you. I was the one.
50 acres.
Yes.
How much money 50 acres? 1 acre be for plot.
That's Ibrahim.
Multiply by 50. Okay.
This thing was signed 2001.
Okay.
I signed this contract.
Okay.
2001 before. Okay. So we have subdued everything that they said we should do.
You have done
the contract have done it.
Yeah.
Except this man, and this man too now court has given order. Okay. Yes, which is both capital.
Okay.
And court has given order that we have warned him. So now you don't have anything there again.
Do it. Okay.
We are ready to break his wall, the wall over there. We are ready to break it. So we don't have anything there. Okay. So all I will say, Ghana should allow the police himself should take their leader
and vote for themselves.
Yes, and there's some people a bit more I'd say police will young form or advisor to the 5GP you see somebody like you coffee watch more coffee watch the Ghana easy coffee watch time not robbery na koso na easy masa coffee watch time and just small robbery na koso coffee watch Ochirobia Kofi Wachi Brighton was the crime, and then the striker was Nanop. And the Nanop, I'm telling you, he's a very straight man, very striker, very. I'm going to be a worker. I'm going to catch on no chain. Kofi Wachi time.
That's for number two. So people say,
it used to be about old armed robbers. Are you seen Nanop? You get everything, have the pictures of it. Ultimate training, many no bon come.
Okay.
Ultimate training, Yamadi. It's my dreams.
My
dream now is to make farms.
Huge farms.
Yes, about 10-acre farm, 20-acre farm.
To employ the youth.
Yes, to employ the youth, the ghetto boys. We are suffering. Except for no why you see ghetto boys? My ghetto boys. No. Say anya sao. Say 2020 dan 30 dan enye juma.
2024 so ba.
Say enye juma. Well, into baby, it's a ghetto, you are not talking about formal ghetto. Near the mom leaders, no, Juma mom, Juma, Obi Aria. The ghetto will take that is Sanyaman. They don't like you. No, any this some so ready. But by do what you know my 20 Ghana, no, my 30 Ghana, no, nonsense. Meaning do be a chisa. Wow. The only person I see, I'm saying again, no say oya MP Ebwa any honorable Buama.
Okay.
all the youth loves him. He loved the youth. Unya uiri bakra obeba. Koninche manya he do for you. He has been assisting. And nobody in this our district Bakado say you don't love Buama. No. Oyema ambruanu po be hwe omo. De we ye nkono wo say my bibi. But de oyema enuanu kra ye danyame ase. Enu kra e fe. Obuae ebia me nua bi yare me na mehwe no babu ama hwe na amane nti manya free o me nua bi come di no bu ama amane ska wadidi mo ama ya bibi amane odu be hwe djuma mo otu ko church bu ama otu ba church a me ba me nipa ten mo pe djuma ni a kire nipa 10 di amane obe de bia be ko djuma station mundi license obe pe duba 30 no license omo easy mama sa ya so oye oye nti de onye ne so e be pro nya fi omo ska no da shop ko she da kuma ko da kuma potos nko so fada ma every baby over da kuma MP MP na juma be no zigi da bi da kuma MP you the shop I want to give you something I wanted to say when we run about we your friend say run about o ko kwabenya no
yes, small runabout.
Yes, and your way to Kwabenya, power runabout, atomic runabout. After power runabout, you know, Coca-Cola. Once I'm tonton class the land be go, land be so. Once a government or land or and atomic energy. Government at Chamuna, in a peace.
Yeah.
To peace like I know, or him man or hono, or the man for so.
Okay.
Or the man for
or the mama.
Or the man for so no so assassin government at just we are government and some be did you the youth are conjanus be did youth no be did you because the youth all under her into onu so the man obi na wajikakra na wachama youth no recently there be ma Duncan Williams pastor ne chiri ba oba or the homa or him and the homa no or the homa man no na ye ko gina so on twawo ye gina ye twawo no na we buy obi buy or see onu no ye o se fem pack o si onu we na di ma MC na wo Kwabenya ni de homa MC no no ono do homa no so he called me, he was trying to say to me I was asking say MC or assassin MC to me ba obi assassin MC or to me obi assassin but what was assassin MC na di ma wo MC na di assassin ma no Kwabenya ima no so ono no di ma Duncan Williams bi aba no te say wo den o pesa won che wo ba gidigidi atwa wall wa bubu no atwa wall o mi hwe ni di mi si wo utambesu because I didn't tell me kasanu uni asasi MC oni asasi and MC was asasi the man will be say asasi e di antifa for what
but sometimes language no so I meet me call be asasi so genuinely what asasi no na ma call ha no no so
me I don't do langard I'm not a langard
but so be asasi with me born no
I'm an assistant because we give me documents obi ma ba mu si amu ye juma wa asasi so sa what for document bra you give me a document I take the document myself either I take it to Jubilee House
or to land
so they call to land I will take it to Jubilee House and they call land commission and they give the number to check they will tell me to wait I will wait if it is correct you just call me your papers is correct that is it belongs to the owner so now I can fight for you and I'm not going to fight it I will take the police so far as have genuine documents and we go to property fraud we went there to arrest we come there we invite there you can bring your document we bring our document if you're not it's not genuine you go but some people used to do fake documents you see so that fake document immediately I see it I know so I'll tell the police to take it to forensic lab to check so we check so that's where some people run because he knows it's a fake document if they take it to forensic lab this thing they will see so you run away so that I'll take your land from you so me I'll go on genuine land any land you see me on top of the land I'm a genuine and this my land given to me is a registered land
I can see
yes it's a registered land by Adriana Abrad family yes
the whole family
yes they have 506 acres
wow
yes that's where I work now that's where I work my boys are there
okay
yes
asama onka you dey me the pa empany for mo amhwe zigi mo wano na ontimi madream ni kato zigi mpacho fa na mato obi pese oboa wo na sabe dream ni bamu a fato ho na ontimi mo wa
0244 78 49 67
pacho bosu bi
0244 78 49 67 020 720 6114 020 720 6114 Nana Odi Asempa about IGP asemna wo kan omuma IGP free no mu hwe se na de ade ne be ko IGP or is not a corrupt man IGP chance kakra onji you don't take bribe when e betra ka kire wo ya try obi a wo obi mi police ni bia mi benu ami nim nusuman minimum nipa where to say what we know all the corrupt police people if you person corrupt policeman come to me you friend me I'll tell you this man is a corrupt and I'll give you evidence with pictures because in I said to obi ahwe you for small mu caution na ubeka say your commander say where this car na wuji and me na misuma na dey do ewu me na me dey share down call for we ku na me na me dey back I send to you I'll send girls, you take it. I'll send woman, you take it. I'll send somebody, you take it. You video you. You can't give me the video. The video is in my history, my laptop right now. I have more videos. But I just want to keep it for you for tomorrow.
Okay. Wow. Ziggy, Ohini Odi Asempa medawase.
Regional commander, I'm a refuge.
Pacho, any chiaro.
Regional commander, I'm a chiao, me refuge, me chiao, papa. Nyamisha ne jumapa ubo. IGP ni di eba omis. Ubedibi, inshallah, Accra Regional Commander, Doctor. ATF4, Eti, FM Kofi Afokwa. All subscribe, share. Badomano, na somebody kano IGP. Obi apenasem. President no, enye so tie ne nkofo ano. Utie na sasa IGP a. Asembeba Ghana. Na wo so utie me, wo ye corrupt ajai, wo ye police a. Your first rule is what? Ensure say timamufu no the vulnerable are protected. You never know where I'm the neighbor. Stay tuned and bye.